हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम यू ऑल टू माय चैनल स्टडी विंग। तो आज का ये जो वीडियो है इसमें हम बात करने वाले हैं कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स की। आइदर यू आर फ्रॉम इंजीनियरिंग, बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट और एनी फील्ड, रिगार्डलेस ऑफ एनी फील्ड, communication skill is a very important thing for every person. So the first myth that I want to clear is good communication does not mean knowing the English language. Many people has misconception that if you know English that you have good communication skill. That is totally wrong. I can say English is a language but communication is a skill. Two very different things. So to know this, we will learn communication skill in 3 parts. So starting with the part 1, that is understanding the basics of communication skill. इसके अंदर सबसे पहली बात क्या आती है? Know what the communication really is. तो communication क्या है? Communication is the method of transferring message between sender and the receiver by various method. मतलब क्या है इसका? किन्हीं भी दो लोगों के बीच में या बहुत सारे लोगों के बीच में, सेंडर एंड रिसीवर के बीच में transferring of message is called the communication. Second important thing in this part is have the courage to say what you think. मतलब be confident for your thoughts, take your time and be aware of your opinions so that you can easily convey them to the other person. Third one is practice. Developing advanced communication skills begin with the simple interaction. You can practice the communication skill day by day on the daily basis. New skills take the time to refine, but when you use your communication skills, it brings up to you with new opportunities. Moving on to the part 2, that is engaging with your audience. इसमें first part is make eye contact. Whether you are listening or speaking, eye contact gives you the more encouragement. Next is use of gesture. These include gestures with your hands and face. Make your whole body talk. The gestures should get larger and larger as the group you are talking is increasing in size. And the important one is don't send different messages. Make your hands, body language, mouth and tone match with your message. Another point is be aware of what your body is saying. I mean, body language is more important. Body language can say a much more of mouth full of words. Appropriate posture and the approachable stance can make even the difficult conversation flow more smoothly. The next point in this part is your attitude. Your attitude can bring a very great impact on your communication skill. Choose to be honest, patient, optimistic, respectful, and the important is accepting of others. You should have an attitude that if you are a good speaker, then you should be a great listener also. You should respect the attitude and the beliefs of others while you are communicating with any person. Moving on to the third part. Third part is use of words. In this, first point is enunciate your words. Try to speak clearly and don't mumble. If your audience is asking you to repeat yourself again and again, so try to do a good job and in a better manner. Second point is pronounce your words very carefully and clearly. Your pupil, or I can say your audience, will judge your competency with your vocabulary. If you are not sure how to say a word, don't use it. Improve your vocabulary by using the words on the daily basis. Look in the dictionary will help you for this. Next point is use the right word. If you don't know the meaning of the word, then don't use it. In this also you can get a help from the dictionary. Daily pick up a word and get the meaning from the dictionary and try to speak it in your conversation during the day. And have a habit of learning a new word daily. Next point is slow your speech down. People will perceive you as nervous and unsure of yourself if you talk very fast. Next important point is develop your voice. You should be aware of your voice. If you speak in a very high voice, that is not accepted by the audience or the authority. In fact, a very high and a very soft voice can make people to not to take you seriously. So you have to be aware of your voice also. And the last point but the important is use appropriate volume. Speak more softly when you are alone or close. Speak louder whenever you are in a large group or across the larger space. So these were the some tips that can help you out to improve your communication skills. And the best part for the communication skill practice is you can do the conversation with your family and with your friends on the daily basis. You can use new words, new practices. For more beneficial videos, stay tuned with my channel Study Wing. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.